Hello, good morning, good day, and good evening. So, we are ready to launch our latest product into the market, and this was most hardest what we done, as our job was pack all our knowledge for nearly 12 years in one product. So we ended up with a product what is suitable for middle-sized company, or in some cases for big companies for specialized work. You will understand it a bit later. So 2 years of really heavy testing on wearing checks. We tried many materials. All this you can see in our Facebook profile, because for 2 years we just made any kind of things on that machine. All what you can imagine, all was done on that machine. Even we smashed with the hammer rollers to check how much you can have chopped bits out of the rollers and they are still good. So all that was done, and after 2 years of development, we tweaked many parts really long time to check when they will be perfect. And it wasn't perfect many times. It was good, but it wasn't perfect. And for example, for me, it's really important that all happens perfectly, as less errors as possible. So finally we done it. Another really terrible thing what happened exactly with this product was patents. It was really long time, loads of pictures, because loads of things where we have our own solutions, and to be protected, to keep us moving, we needed to do all correctly. So patents was done as well as for other products, but for this product we really thinking about all those things what must be done. But let's finish that speaking part and go to the product by itself. So I will try to be quick, but loads of things what I need to show. So all in all, this is something similar like Compact Factory. This part is basically the same, but on this part all is ending up. This part is brand new. It looks similar. Many things are similar like Compact Factories, but this one have cutting unit similar as Compact Factory, only a bit faster. But this frame can accept hybrid blocks. It's 4 roller blocks. It's best what you can get if you are after a perfect roundness. So hybrids, it's undisputed. It's the best what you can buy. Many companies using advanced hybrids to make perfect pop-ups. I can tell you one thing, those hybrid blocks just kills advanced machine, because Pro have hybrids as well, but length is a problem for small diameters. So we keep this one to advanced machines length. But another thing what this can do, this machine can work with 4 roller blocks, it's hybrids, 2 roller blocks of course, plus we made it to be able to work on 3 roller blocks as well. So, and here is the change what I told you. The width of this machine is bigger. This machine have 2 gear motors, and they are running on 100 Hertz. Not 50, not 60, but 100 Hertz. So the speed is big. Torque is just massive. Frequency emitters here are EJBT computer monitored, so they work really stable and always hold the torque on the level maximum. And it's 220 volt if you buy to USA or other countries who have 110 volts, easy step up transformer, and you are up and ready to go. So another thing, all power supplies, all the bits are installed here under cover. When you get machine, you will just be needed to connect cutting unit, and that's it. Another thing what you will need to have look at it's this place where you connect a cable. Simple PC cable, and you just buy this socket what you need. So go ahead with machine. Like I told you, machine is capable to work with 2 roller, 3 roller and 4 roller blocks. Another thing, 2 roller blocks and 3 roller blocks can be ordered by client in smaller diameter. So it means you can save costs if you are not like after perfect roundness, or you just have some kind of bait what you not need often. You can buy roller block, 2 roller block with smaller diameter, as this one have 220 in diameter, but you can go lower and you can save money. Same with 3 roller blocks as well. We will move to that part a bit later, but yeah, right now it's 2 roller installed. We will right now install 4 roller, as I will show you how it's happening, but a bit closer to the machine. So here we have sorting board. This will give you ready-made bait be collected here, and chucks will be in trash pan. So we can just lift it up, take out trash pan, clean it, install it. You can easily do it just by lifting this one. Sorting board is on guides. It's rock solid, as you can see. I can move machine, but when you lift it up, it goes like under the block. When you are here, it's going up, and you can take it out. Same as when you place it back, you just place it, it's in level with the block. As soon as you start to move it, it goes under block till the end, and it clicks into the place, and then it's rock solid. Next thing about spare pans. Here we have 12 spare pans and 12 here, like for spare ones. So when we work, we already have 10 pans in 12 plate steamer, like we suggested to do. If you want, you can work with all 12 inside, it's up to you, but your rolling bait, as soon as it's full, you just take out the pan into the rack. Next is full, you will take out into the rack. So all pack is out, and we are ready to spin the bait. So basically rack will be full. When we finish this one and we need to do fast, we can just take next bunch of pans and just install them here. We calculated quite precisely, so exactly 12 plates going there easy. Next thing, what's here and makes that sound? It's protection board here. As normally it will not happen, but if you will use big diameters, it can be so, as pans are under angle. So as you see in here on sorting board, we made like guides. So boils go more to the middle, and they going under angle down and sorting into the perfect line. Sometimes with big size, it can be that under angle they can just try to kick out from the pan. So that's why we have here safety shield installed. It's self-floating, so when you're going down in a level with the pans, it always come closer, so close totally gaps, and you have no chance so bait can escape pan. You are like on guarantees that it will never happen. So this is about machine. By the way, this board can be taken out clean. For cleaning, when you click down, you don't need to take it out to change roller blocks. Before that, in compact factories, you needed to remove it, as it was like the thing would hold that one in place. In this system, you don't need to do so anymore. So, for example, we finished these 2 roller blocks. Like we make here is exactly tablets. We made tablets for fishing, like like small barrel shaped, and we want to change the block. So here we have stand rack for spare roller blocks. This one was already seen for 2 years in Card and Bosch, so nothing new here. But of course, place for roller blocks. Another thing, those 2, 3 and 4 roller blocks are exactly same casing, so they fit perfectly here. You will see when I will change, it's really easy to do so. And of course, if you have like 25mm roller block, you have 6 pre-cutted nozzles standing nearby. You can show that part. You see exactly how they are laid down, and they can be pre-cutted and stored near the block. So, for example, we want to change roller blocks. Okay, we just disconnect here, same as on the factories. We move this away. We lift that safety knob. We take the block, slide out. You can easily lift it, and it's going already out of the casing, and it still hangs here and not allowing to damage rollers. So we take this one out and put into the correct place. Those bits are self-floating, so really often they will stay here. Sometimes it can come with a roller block as it's radial, and it can you need to watch out for those things. They can be fixed as they allowing you a small offset, or if something goes wrong, still the system will work perfectly. So we just take new block, what we decided. This is, as we spoke, hybrid. We just put it in, slide in, connect those plastic bits. To set it in place, by the way, there is 2 systems. You just push it down, and with the hand you can just get it perfectly tooth connected. Put it in, close, and you're ready to work. Of course, you connect this one back, and you are ready to work with hybrid. So this is like we are back on the road with the rolling. But right now we finished with bottom baits, and we need to produce some pop-ups or multiple color baits, hook baits or multiple color pop-ups. And we have solution with couple extruders, but it's expensive. It's big companies seem to do so. For normal, even middle-sized company, dot guns are the ones what they choose. So let's go ahead and do it with dot guns. So to do so, we just disconnect that part, move it away, and for this station we have a stand like this where you can regulate dot gun height, and you can regulate dot gun distance as well. And this unit fixes quite easy. You just put it in, turn, and it just slides into the place. You click it in here, screw it down, it's rock solid. You have pressure regulator to regulate speed of outcoming sausage. Basically what it does is regulate airflow. So you can regulate dot gun speed with this one. So we already know what we will use. So this one away, and we are ready to use this station with dot gun. Our dot guns fit there perfectly, same as many others will fit, as we made it really wide, regulated. So all in all dot guns in the market will fit there. So we just connect it, and we will work with a dot gun. You can make pop-ups like on 4 roller blocks, on 2 roller blocks, or use 2 roller blocks with some shaped pattern. But yeah, we can work like this. Now we finished with pop-ups. We need pellets. Let's go ahead, do the pellets. We remove this one. Like I told you, this is really quickly done. We just unscrew, turn, take it off. So we are finished with Dogan sinks. We need extruder again. So when you buy even pellet making kit for our extruders, this operation will be same for all of them. Removing cap for Dogan, for nozzle. So you come over this thread inside. You need to unscrew this bolt, and then you will be left with this thread. In this thread, you need to screw, just screw in axle, what will come with the pellet maker. You will end up with a thing like this. So you just install all the back into extruder, fix it. That's it. Here we have some, I will put this away, it's for later. This is kit for pellet maker. We can do it from 4 mm up to 18. There is digits on the molds, what size you will have. You see 6, 4, and blades. Blades are corresponding. There is 8 blades, and blades are corresponding for the pellet length. Depends on dot consistency and speed what you want to use, and of course diameter. So to put together pellet maker, it's easy. The part with the digits always are outside part, as there is sinusoids. So we take a mold, what we want, and just put it into the cap. We take this white sinusoid thing. It's reduce friction and help dot more precisely move to the holes, and later on be pressed down by this mold. So we just screw it down. We just take kneaded blade, apply here, spring on, and just screw down. Next thing what we do, we bring this one back to the machine, and instead we have thing like this. It's to holding plates, and later on I will show you it can hold plate for small chops and other bits, so they are not on the ground. So basically you will try to keep all as clean as possible. But right now we will use this board to make plates. So you place this one, it clicks, and again it's solid, it just can't fall out. You can easily take fans. Most important thing that you can have massive amount of pans here. It's 24 plate. We make pellets again. We take our rack. We make pellets as soon as it's full. We just take out. Or keep on making. When it's full, we just take it out. And again, when it's full, we just take it out. And these pellets, we can air dry them or we can steam them. It's 2 chances what you can do. You can even make pellets like mini boilies, like hoop bait pellets. So this is what's right now are quite demanded. It's exactly for feeders, for carp fishermen. It's boilies who look like pellet. So all in all, this you can done as well, but like I mentioned before, we will put those back. Normally, when you will work with a nozzle, there is sometimes small bits sticking to the blade. you can have one plate without holes and just leave this board when you even work with the boilies, and just leave it here. So if some bits will be small bits will go down, they will be into the pan, and you will always have perfect clean working place. So guys, I'm on quick run. I showed you all these things. Another thing, like in the end, I want to tell you, yes, this product take a really long time, as we needed to sort each detail to be perfectly fitted. We rebuilt many times when we already was sure all is fine, but we still wasn't satisfied. We just rebuild, and not only CAD drawings, but in real life testing, we even seen that some parts needed to be added, same as those patent things. Many guys just love to copy, paste other products, and we already know from famous companies that they don't make patents and then others just stole ideas and do the same, and you can do nothing. We are really detailed here, so we finished firstly with this one loads of patent things for many things, so we are protected, and then we launched it in market this product. Of course, this was exactly delayed for 2.5 months because of those finalizing things. Another thing, those already was like wasn't even launched in official part, but one machine like this is finished going to Japan. Another is already building for another client. So our customers know what we build, so they trust us. And capacity for this one, like I told you, for middle companies, it can be 800 1 ton per day. This is really quickly on 100 hertz. It's a really quick system. You can go to our Facebook profile, like for my personal one, and for 2 years we posted videos with speed, with the roundness, because we tested this setup really heavy and really long time. So we are sure or is perfect here. And for big companies like, for example, Pop-Up making station, it's perfect because it's self-standing, still really compact size for the output what this machine can do. And in the end, another one tweak for you guys. Normally, when you work whatever on our machines, on boards, on other companies' machinery, when you finish, you always have some bits left in a nozzle. So some take some sticks, push it out. Some will use some I don't know, try to blow it out. But I suggest you just take one nozzle, cut it down, and screw on just compressor fitting. Then you can use simple tire pressure regulated gun, and when you are finished, you just take nozzle, for example here will be dot, just apply that one, hold it here and push the lever and it will eject all the bits what's in nozzle. So this is like small suggestion for you guys who are rolling, but all in all, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry, this was the most longest project where we was involved, because firstly we done it personally by ourselves, those long testings and all the bits what we can even imagine in our heads what can be done with system. So right now all is finished, patents are finished, and we launched the product. And I telling you, idea under all this was all our nearly 12-year knowledge in one product. We done it, we finished, and right now we are satisfied with each part of the setup. We are satisfied, and now, as soon as patents was finished, we launched that one in market. By the way, like I told you, to save costs on machinery, you can choose smaller extruder. Easy, just fit here smaller extruder, you will save. Same as like 4-roller block, unfortunately it will have diameters like it is, you can't change them. But in version, these 3 rollers or 2 rollers, you can easily decide even size of rollers what you want to use. So here is like 220, you can go ahead with 200 or 180 or 150, or even maybe if you need some shaped ones or some dumbbell types, you can even go 120. So it's all up to you. But all in all, this is a setup what right now we will use, and soon there will be loads of videos of this system working, as we done 2 years on demo. But right now we will have this new baby here, and we will smash it hard to make many videos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I quickly explained those most bits, but there will be more. It's just like quick explanation of the bits what we done and how it works, and I tried in a small time scale, what's already is long, to try to show you what we done. So till next time, see you on the bank.